guys? My name is William Melendez. I'm from Springfield, and this is my project, Eclipse Mitsubishi 1999 GS.
Where and when did you get the car?
Oh, I got it on May 24. Went with my cousin to New Haven. I think it was 2 hours from here. It wasn't like this. It was pretty bad condition. We went there, went to the place. You know, really nice guy. Stood there for like an hour. He told me the story about the car and stuff like that, you know. But when the time came in, for turn it on, had a bad knocking on the engine. So you know how that goes, you know. Play a little negotiation and stuff like that. Got the car, drove it back to Springfield, and halfway, maybe 30 minutes from here, the tire popped. Both of the tires. I was doing maybe 60 in the highway with my cousin. I was scared. Waiting for my dad to bring up the tow truck. Picked it up. He told me, what the hell was that? You know, it was a it was in rough shape. You guys gotta see it soon. But yeah, since the kid, I love this car. It's Fast and Furious, you know, the green car. Been my dream after that. And one of my boys in PR had one. I think it was a GS2. He had two actually. He had a GST Spider, a black one, really nice one. Shout out to Mario, my boy. He owned two of these, probably more. But since then, I'm in love with this car. One of my dreams, little by little. You know,
good.
Never give up on your dream, guys.
What's your plans with this car?
Where do I start? Well, of course, we're gonna get it right now. I'm getting it sanded and, you know, prime it. I want to paint it. You know, want to bring that color back. You know what I mean? That original color, that good-looking color.
The burgundy.
Yes, sir. I love that color. One of my favorite colors too. I'm gonna make a turbo. I don't got a GST. I don't got money for that. Or a GSX. I got a GS. But I'm gonna make a turbo with a 428 engine.
Yeah.
I've actually bought two of them. But there's a story in the second engine. I went to Chicago to get the second engine on my Mercedes Benz 2019. Put it on the trunk. It was pretty crazy, but I love this car, you know. It's crazy what you do for a car. Man, to be honest, it's the best drive I ever had. Went with my grandpa. That was a show. Yeah, man. Came back straight. Didn't stop for nothing. 16-hour drive. 16-hour drive, man. But yeah, I'm trying to get out of the engine. I'm trying to do 800 horsepower in it. So I'm going crazy on the first engine, the stock engine. Oh, also, I got the car with 87,000 miles. Pretty rare on this car. Pretty rare on this car, you know. So,
for the year that this car is?
Yeah, for the year this car is. My Benz has 87,000 already in 2019, so it's kind of tough. But I love this car, man. So there's a lot of stuff coming soon for it. Nitros, some Fast and Furious stuff. But
I'm trying to live
my way.
You're trying to live that movie like.
Yeah, I'm trying to live that movie again, but in my way. And actually not listen to the computer and not blow it up, you know?
You plan on tracking the car, or you plan on making it a show?
I'm gonna go half and half. So if somebody wants to smoke, he's gonna get the smoke. But it's gonna still look good. It's gonna be a good looking car, you know, with all the mods and stuff like that. But I want it more for show. It's a rare car. As you can see.
Yeah, there's not a lot of them.
Nope.
Not a lot of them. It's rare to see them in the street.
Yeah. In a good condition like this. Only in Springfield, I only see like 3.
Yeah.
Let's say like that. And one of the one that has his my boy's girlfriend's grandma has one. But this color really rare. Manual, because all I see is automatic.
Yeah.
And with the 87,000 miles, man, this is steel.
Nah, you got this for steel for the
rare car.
And tell the people how much you got it for.
Yeah, I don't want to know. That's in another episode, but
Go ahead. How did it?
So the guy wanted $3,000 for the car. Me and my cousin brought it down to $1,700, and then after $1,700, we brought it down to $300. That's how much we bought this car for. Yeah, man, it was a steal. I brought it with the engine knocking all the way down here. That's a mission, but it's a Mitsubishi.
Yeah.
And that's not gonna die. So, I drove with AC too. It was in summer, so I drove with AC too.
No, that's the most important thing.
Yes, sir. I had AC.
If it doesn't have AC.
Summer up here, man, it's kind of crazy, you know.
Even though right now we're dying in the cold, but
Yeah, today, we're dying on the cold. Today it's good weather. You know, I open the garage door and stuff like that, but yeah. But yeah, man, it was a steal. This car was a steal. One of my dream cars.
Nah,
but it's a lot. It's coming.
For $300, oh my God. Anybody.
Amen.
Amen to that. Tell us what happened like a few months ago, since I know, but let the people know what happened.
Man, so you know, every guy's dream, you know, we want to take a project car out. Sadly, I took it on July 4th. Took it out with my cousin.
Yep.
To Main Street, do some burnouts in it. But at the end of the night, when you know everybody's at home chilling, we were the family, you know, we were talking. This what you see right here, guys. This wasn't like this. This was bent in. Somebody, a drunk driver, you know, sadly just hit the car. I was really sad, almost cried. I was really heartbroken.
Yeah.
I was gonna lose the car because it was gonna be a loss. But you know, I talked to the insurance and stuff like that, and showed them what was actually, you know,
Was actually damaged.
Actually damaged.
Because they always want to make it a total.
Yeah, they always want to make it a total, and then not want this car total at all. For the price, for my plans, you know.
Yeah, but to keep the title clean.
Yeah, keep the title clean. You know, that's the main thing over here in Springfield. Yeah, man. It was one of the saddest months that you could say. You know, that they didn't want to come out or nothing.
Yeah.
I was really sad. Yeah, I thought I was gonna lose the car. But my cousin, my boys, everybody told me, you know, like not to be, how you say, sad about it. You know what I mean? Stuff happened for a reason.
Yep.
I kept the car, as you can see, and you know, right now I'm working on it.
Yeah, we're gonna go from there and see what we're gonna get to.
Yes, sir.
Fun fact: tell us how this car looked when you brought it here. That everybody was like, "What the hell is that?"
Yeah, that's the one. You know. So y'all would have told me I was crazy to just buy the car, you know. But I had a vision. Nobody seen it, just but me, my cousin. It was like, you remember that part on Fast and Furious when you brought the Supra?
Yeah.
Just like that, pretty much. But so yeah, guys. Now you saw the pictures and see some of the work. You know, can't wait to see it painted.
Yeah, it kind of looks rough.
Rough, terrible, man. But you know, I had a vision and I had love for the car. You know what I mean? Doesn't matter the condition. Well, the car was in good condition underneath, mint. That's why
That's the most important thing.
That's the most important thing here in Massachusetts.
Especially when these cars, the shock towers and all that, they get rusted on the back too.
Rusted out. The engine bay,
perfect.
Mint.
Yeah.
You know, that's what I really love about this car. That's pretty much what I bought it. You know, why I bought it, because there were some clips out here, but they were really, really bad.
Yeah.
And like I said, automatic. I don't like automatic. You know, so that's pretty much it. Pretty much it, guys. After the hit, no, before the hit, we went to get these side skirts and this door right here, because the original door that I had, it was pretty bad. It was pin or whatever. I think it got hit or something.
Yeah.
It was pretty bad, so I just replaced the door with a white one. 1999, same thing, but it was I think it was a Talon or a GST or whatever. I don't remember.
Yeah.
Power window.
Oh, nice.
Yes, sir. Power window. So I'm doing all the connections right now so it can work again. Actually, this car had power windows, even though it was a manual. But they did the conversion for
Oh, nice. So
power
you,
window. You know what I mean?
so you didn't have to go through all that work.
I did it. That was a bless. You know. The car in the interior was mint. We're gonna show you some videos and some pictures after what I did to the interior.
Yeah.
What I put an audio system and all of that. You know, but that's besides the point. You know, we can talk about that later. We went to Worcester on the Benz. You know, all the parts that that came from different places. It was all in the Benz. Yeah, guys, I don't have a truck. They call me crazy because I put on a Benz in 2019. You know, white interior.
Yeah.
I love this car more than the Benz.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, it was fun. It is fun, you know, having a project car. You know, do it your way.
Yep.
Don't listen to nobody. You know, do it your way. You know, of course, listen to people. You know, that have more experience in that.
But do it. Move silently.
Exactly.
And accomplish your stuff yourself. You know.
Yeah, don't be a follower. Do your thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Don't. My opinion for myself too, like do it your way too. Like if that's what you want, you know, just do it that way. Like don't
listen to nobody, do your thing. You know?
Yeah.
Another fun fact: when I bought it, guess how many exhausts it had?
How many exhausts did it have?
It had 2.
What?
Yeah, it had 2.
But this car only comes with 1. So how the hell was that?
Yeah, that was American Japanese way. You know what I mean?
Oh.
Just
yeah.
it is what it is. Yeah.
So what you ended up doing, like cutting the
Hell
muffler?
yeah, I did. I cut it out. My dad said it was cool. I said, hell no, that's not cool at all. Yeah, I cut it out. Inside the muffler and stuff like that had since been sitting for a long time. It had a lot of stuff, you know. It sounded like it was covered up and stuff like that. But once I cleaned that, it felt different.
Better, yeah.
Even though it had a nut in it. At first, it was a valve. But after, it was the piston. Sadly, it sounded like a Subaru. We hate Subarus over here.
Yeah. No hard feelings.
No hard feelings.
No hard feelings, Subaru guys. But
I love every
mitsubishi
project. You know what I mean?
Like
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I'm just talking crap a little bit. But
so this is your first time working on the bodywork and the project?
Yes, it is. It is. Actually, I took some advice from some other people that that I've been around with. Actually, one good painter and my other boy. You know, shout out to him. They helped me out. You know, basic steps. I also play the bottom door and stuff like that. For my first time, I think I did pretty good. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a hard work in progress, like you say, or whatever. After 2 days, 3 days, your arm starts to hurt. So be ready.
That's common.
Be ready if you're working on your car.
You guys seen what I did, you know, right here. So that stuff is not easy when you gotta sit in the car and you want to do it good. You gotta
take your time.
Yep. Don't rush it. Take your time and you know always keep that mindset that you want to do it the right way.
But even though you guys want to rush, you know, or want to see how it looks like, but don't rush stuff, you know. If it doesn't come out this year, it doesn't come out next year, you know, don't rush your projects, you know.
Yeah.
Take time with it. That's what all this is about, passion and, you know, doing the right thing.
It's a hobby. It's a hobby that we take it serious, Take it serious, you know.
It takes all the people out there, you know, that, you know,
it's not
don't
cheap.
talk or nothing, you know. This is our therapy.
Yep.
So, you know what I mean? Or get away from the problems, or you know, everything.
Us car guys. Yep. That's it's like a medicine.
Yep. There's a lot of stuff that can relate on that. Yeah, man.
All right, guys. So this was a little podcast for William. We were just showing what this next project is going to be in the YouTube video. See it right here. So keep watching. keep intact, and we'll catch you on. Yeah, stay posted. So more videos are gonna come for this car. You already seen my build. Now we're gonna do his. So keep in mind that you're gonna see a lot of this car, not my stuff. My stuff are put away because it's already winter. So I'm not gonna be driving my car, so I need more content. So we're gonna do his car. That way we keep this content going and keep showing you guys more builds. So I'll see you guys on the next one.